Hey guys, we have the key to our Toyota Corolla, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the battery in one of these key fobs. So the battery is located on the back side here underneath this plastic cover below the Toyota emblem. So this part you're going to pop off in a second. So you can see this when you open up the key, that here's a couple of tabs that we can push against. And the easiest way to actually remove this cover is by closing the key. So folding the key in and then taking a coin and then pushing against those tabs, and then this cover should easily pop off. So now underneath we find here this orange rubber cap, and this is like a dust and a waterproof cap. We're just going to peel this off, and right underneath we find the original battery. So this battery is of type CR2032. It's like a standard battery for these kind of key fobs. So there's a little groove here that we can pry into. I'm using here small scissors, and when we put something in there, then we can pop off the original battery. It should relatively easily fall out. And now, so the new replacement battery is here of type CR2032, of course, as well, and we want to put this in on the right orientation. So you have to make sure you can read the writing here and also see this plus symbol. I'm just going to slide this all the way in. And then the next thing, of course, we have to put this rubber gasket back on to make sure that there's no moisture or dust going in there. Just press it firmly on there. And then the last step is to pop on this plastic cover again. We start by putting it on the left side, and then on the right side we make sure it snaps into place and everything should be flush. Okay, so this was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.